welcome. I am at Walmart and I am excited to share with you guys some Walmart couponing deals, mostly Ibotta deals, but yes, I am at the store right now. It is early. I forgot my kids had school today, so I'm hurrying up to do this deal or do these deals before my husband goes to work, because I'm not taking the monsters into public, especially the day before Thanksgiving. I went to the grocery store yesterday and I couldn't believe how much it was a zoo yesterday, so I'm like, I'm not going in the middle of the afternoon. But it is the day before Thanksgiving. There is going to be some Black Friday deals starting today. If you guys have, if you're watching this when I post this, I'll probably post this after the deals start because I'll be crazy busy. But yeah, the Black Friday deals start online today and then Friday. So my store's gonna be ripping the store apart right now, getting everything ready for Black Friday. But if you guys are new to my channel, all you have to do is just hit subscribe if you love saving money. Help me get my goal of 60,000 subscribers. I'm like 800 away. If you guys can make that, that would be awesome. But we're gonna go inside. There's some great freebies that just showed up this morning. So we're gonna go inside, have some fun, and let's go shopping. So my store finally has the other one in stock. So this is a great deal, especially for a gift item. We have the larger Merci chocolate for $10.84. You're gonna buy 2 of them and pay $21.68. But we currently have a $2.50 Ibotta deal with a limit of 3. So you guys will get $5 back with Ibotta. Then you would also get back 800 points through Shopkick, which is $8, and then you can also get back $1.40 or $1.74 back with checkout 51, making these just $5.20 or $2.60 each. Or you can buy the smaller ones, which I'm actually excited for again $6.96. You're gonna buy 2 of them, you'll pay $13.92. Again, you will get $1.74 back times 2 with checkout 51. You will get $5 back with swag bucks, and then you will get $1.50 back times 2 with Ibotta, so you'll get $3 back. This ends up becoming just $2.44 or just $1.22, which is an awesome deal. So here we have the soft soap body wash for $4.97 along with the men's body wash for $4.97. You will pay $4.90 for either one, but then you can submit your receipt to the Ibotta app where you'll get $2 back with the soft soap. Then you can also submit your receipt for, it's up to your discretion, for $2 back with the Shoppium app, making your final price for this just 97 cents. Same thing with the men's Irish Spring, $4.97. There is a $2 Shoppium rebate, plus there is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making this just 97 cents. So here we have the Colgate Total. I did the video and then I messed up. So these are just $4.96 for these two. You're gonna buy 2 of them. You will pay $9.92. But we currently have a Shopkick deal where you get 200 kicks, which is 80 cents, and it is a limited 2. So you'll get 80 cents back with Shopkick. You will also receive $5 back off of 2 with the Shoppium app, and then you also would get $3 back when you purchase the deal through Swagbucks. So this ends up becoming just 32 cents for both of them, which is a really great deal. So my store is sold out of this deal again. My store says they have it in stock, but most likely it got stolen. So here we have the Dollar Shave Club, the 4 count for just $9.97. You're gonna get the ones that are the 4 count, and then it's the 4 blades, but you're gonna pay $97. You get $4.50, or the ones that are 6 blade, but you're gonna get $4.50 back with Ibotta, and then there is a $1.50 bonus, and you get 420 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which it was $4.70. Now they changed it on me, but you get a little bit less than like $1.88. It messed up on me when I did the math last night. Then you get 3,000 points It could have been a 91-cent moneymaker, but my store doesn't have it in stock again. So here's an easy freebie that you guys can get. The Airwick Essential Fills a Room is $11.98. We currently have a free after rebate. It is for the apple and the pumpkin. Usually they do this after the holidays because it's faster for the stores to get rid of these scents. But you'll pay $11.98. You'll get $11.89 back, making this just 9 cents. 9 cents for the apple and the pumpkin, which is an awesome deal. Here is another easy freebie if your store has it in stock, but we're going to get the single Airwick, just the plugins, just like this, but it's a single one for $1.98. You get $2.09 back, making this going to be a 11-cent moneymaker, which is an awesome deal. Last week it showed this one for $3.78 where you get $2.09 back, and we're like, you guys are on crack. But this is an easy freebie if your store has that. Another easy freebie is this Airwick Oil Advanced Warmer. It says it's a 1 count for $3.98. My store is sold out, but you get $4 back with this, making this, again, another easy freebie plus a 2-cent moneymaker. So here we have the High C for just $2.18. We currently have a 50-cent Ibotta rebate with a limit of 5. You'll just get this for $1.68. My kids love this stuff, and so do I. I like taking the medicine with it. So easy deal, and I'm gonna get some. So this easy freebie came back again. We have the Splenda Peel and Pours for $6.28. You would pay $6.28, but then you get $6.28 back with Ibotta, making this an easy freebie. So here we have the Velveeta shells and cheese for $2.98, and also the mac and cheese. The deluxe is $2.98. My store still hasn't changed the price, but we currently have 75-cent Ibotta rebate for the Velveeta, and then we also have a 75-cent back for the deluxe. Your final price, this comes out to be just $2.23 a box, which is an okay deal if you guys want to try that out. So here we have the Cheetos mac and cheese for just $1.24. We currently have a 30-cent Ibotta rebate that you guys can get back, making this just 94 cents. It says it's new and improved, so we will see. But now I noticed that all of the mac and cheese have gone up, but still a great deal for this. Hello everybody, welcome, welcome, welcome. Yes, I went to Walmart. And my store was already getting ready for Black Friday. And then the funny thing is, I actually had the store manager follow me. Now, I've been shopping at that store for years. I have been filming in that store for years. I have seen that store manager multiple times for years. And all of a sudden, I'm like recording and he stops and he watches what I'm doing. And then he eventually walks away. Then I go to a different aisle. I'm in the toothpaste aisle. And this guy comes in the aisle, and he's got his empty basket, and he's sitting there staring at the toothpaste for a very long time. And then he turns around, and he's staring at the electronic, like, toothbrushes that are all locked up. And he's just staring there. And what I'm doing is I'm just going through my apps, trying to figure out what it is. I'm getting ready to, like, push record. And then I hear, then I start recording, and then I hear a radio sound, and I'm just like, that's a loss prevention person. And I'm just like, seriously, you guys, like, I've been in the store multiple times. You can sit here and watch me. I don't care. I'm not doing anything wrong. And then, like, then somebody comes and opens the cabinet for him, and then he walks away. But it was just like, yeah, it was just kind of funny, but I'm just like, whatever, follow me all you guys want. Instead of following people that are doing, you know, choose evil in the morning, whatever. But yeah, we went to the store, and I did some pretty decent items. A lot of repeats. Just right now, there's not a lot of hot stuff, so if you guys need to take a break, take a break. There was a lot of freebies that popped up. So last week I was like, oh, I was going to go do that Airwick deal, and then they wanted like 3 something, and the thing says it's a freebie, and it wasn't. And so I'm just like, okay, we're not getting that. But it looks like they changed it to the single one, and they just put maybe the double one in the picture or something. I don't know. But I was looking forward to that, and then they had the Vibrant Airwick deal that was an easy freebie. My store was sold out. And then they had one other thing in that aisle that was going to be a freebie. Oh, then the Airwick thing I got. So yeah, for the Merci, I only got the smaller ones because my husband wanted the smaller ones. I got the big ones last week, and I was debating on getting both sizes, and I'm like, I don't eat that chocolate. My husband does, but he doesn't need that much chocolate. And so I'm like, I'll just get the 2 smaller ones. I don't need the bigger ones. But yeah, so I had a weekend or a week warrior. It was called a mashed potato weekly thing. I needed 5 rebates to get $1, and I'm like, you know what, we'll do it. So we got that. So my total came to $63.60. I ended up getting $27.97 back with Ibotta. I did receive $8 back with Swag Bucks. That was for the Merci, and then I got it for the Colgate. Shop kicks, I only received 410 kicks, and that was just for the Colgate deal. Fetch rewards, I received 100 points, 10 cents. Yay, yay. Shopium, I did submit my receipt, and I got $6 back with the Shopium app. Now, it's all up to your discretion if you guys want to use the Shopium app for some of those deals. I'm just here to help everybody out and share with you. Sometimes I do submit my receipts, sometimes I don't. But you know what? Some people are just, you know, having a hard time with money right now. It might not look like it, but sometimes people are. And I just wanted to share with anybody who could do those deals. Checkout 51, I did receive $3.48. That was for the 2 Mercies that I got. I could only claim 3 for the Checkout 51 because I did the deal last week. So that is the reason why I decided not to get the big one. Yes, it was a difference of $1.74, but that difference does make it. So that's the reason why I didn't get it. But yeah, and then I did receive the mashed potato bonus. So not a hot week, but there is some great easy freebies if you guys are looking. I know today is the last day to get your free sides and turkey. I ended up getting my turkey at my grocery store the other day. I paid like 10 bucks for it, and I got $14 and what, 28 cents back with Ibotta. So that was an easy freebie. I love it. We're having Thanksgiving at my parents, or at my house this week, or tomorrow actually. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. So yeah, so hopefully you guys have a nice, awesome weekend of shopping. Black Friday, there's some great deals. I do not want to go Ibotta shopping when it is the busiest weekend of the mall because it'll be going crazy busy, and I just don't want to deal with that kind of crowd, and it's hard. But I will definitely be shopping when I go, so I might be popping up some stuff here and there. But I got everything for $15.41. I got 12 items for $15.41, so that was $1.28 each, which is okay. So, but I ended up saving $48.19, so I'm pretty happy with that. I mean, considering all that stuff for 15 bucks, considering the that one Airwick is $11.89, so right there, I was pretty excited. I've been really wanting to get that Dollar Shave razor parts for it, but my store has been sold out for the last 2 weeks, and I think it's because it got stolen. When I was talking to the employee in the aisle, because I wanted to scan something that was locked up, because my store, the whole entire facial product section is 100% locked up, and she says over the next couple of months or weeks, everything in this section will be locked up. So that is including razors, shaving cream, makeup. The nail polish just got all locked up, and so did the hair dryers and curlers. So that whole entire section is going to be locked up, and I have a feeling laundry is going to be locked up next, and also personal care products, because it is just crazy how much theft is going on these days that my store has to lock all this stuff up. My Walgreens is like that, but it's just, I just wish karma was a real thing. But anyways, I am gonna get this video uploaded so I can start doing my Black Friday shopping at Walmart online in a couple hours. But I hope you guys have an awesome week, have an awesome Thanksgiving. If you don't have Thanksgiving tomorrow and you celebrate this weekend, I hope you guys just have a happy everything, happy Friendsgiving, any kind of giving you have. That is an awesome weekend to celebrate with friends, family, anybody who needs it. But I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.